of water flowing from one country to another can't be stopped or diverted by its very nature. And that is one reason why we come to this conclusion that in all treaties that have been executed between upper and lower riparian, the just use principle or entitlement of use of water by each has been enshrined and codified. In May last year, India says we are holding it in abeyance. Holding in abeyance from an international law point of view is an admission of a breach of a treaty. If you say, I'm holding a treaty in abeyance, you're fashioning a terminology to walk away from the core obligations of the treaty. You're identifying a term which is stranger to the water law jurisprudence or even Vienna Convention and the laws of treaty, where either you would suspend or you would terminate, or you would at best not walk out of it, but use the exceptions within it to argue your point of view. But if you are saying yourself that we are holding it abeyance to an international law, this is an admission of the breach of a bilateral treaty.